Fresh allegations against the Adani Group are floating once again thanks to the US-based Hindenburg Group. Hindenburg, citing newly released Swiss criminal court records, has alleged that Swiss authorities have frozen over $310 million in funds across multiple Swiss bank accounts linked to Gautam Adani. This has been done as part of an investigation into allegations of money laundering and securities forgery linked to the group. On September 12th evening, Hindenburg tweeted that the probe, which dates back to 2021, has shed light on financial practices involving opaque offshore entities tied to the Indian conglomerate. As per a report by Swiss media, Geneva Public Prosecutor's Office was investigating alleged wrongdoing by the Indian conglomerate Adani well before activist investors from Hindenburg Research made the first accusations. As per Gotham City's report, more than $310 million belonging to an alleged front man for billionaire Gautam Adani is sequestered in 5 Swiss banks. The Office of the Attorney General of Switzerland took over the investigation after the case was revealed in the press. However, Adani Group's clarification on the matter says something else. The Adani Group has firmly rejected and denied the baseless allegations presented in the Hindenburg post. Adani Group reiterated that their overseas holding structure is transparent, fully disclosed and compliant with all relevant laws. They also clarified that they are not involved in any Swiss court proceedings, emphasizing that neither their group companies were mentioned in any such court documents, nor have they received any requests for clarification. Adani Group has called the allegations preposterous, irrational and absurd. The group said, "We have no hesitation in stating that this is yet another orchestrated and egregious attempt by the same cohorts acting in unison to inflict irreversible damage on our group's reputation and market value." However, this is not a new thing. Hindenburg has been releasing reports and allegations against the group ever since its first report came out. In 2023, a report was released by the Hindenburg Group claiming that Gautam Adani has been running the largest con in corporate history and alleged that the group was involved in fraud and stock manipulation. This led to massive losses in the group's market value. The stocks went down over 60% post the news. After this, many allegations kept on coming on and off. In August, Hindenburg accused Securities and Exchange Board of India Chief Madhavi Puri Booch and her husband Dhaval Booch of allegedly making investments in an offshore fund which is linked to the Adani Group. Hindenburg, which had accused the Adani Group of using tax havens to circumvent local market regulations back in Jan 2023, also alleged that Booch might be influencing the slow investigation into the conglomerate due to her past investments and dealings. Both Madhavi Puri Booch and the Adani Group have denied these recent allegations. Hindenburg's January 24, 2023 report accused the Adani Group of decades-long stock manipulation and accounting fraud involving $218 billion. It highlighted the group's significant debt and liquidity issues, with 5 out of 7 key companies reporting low current ratios. As per Hindenburg, despite ongoing investigations by SEBI, enforcement actions have been minimal, allowing the alleged fraud to continue. Well, we'll keep a close eye on this story and bring you the latest developments as they happen. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to ET for more in-depth coverage.